So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in MD third year. So now recently I got into second sem, I have only 4 to 5 months before my clerkship starts in probably in March or April. Yeah, we have to see about that, but this video is going to be about, I'll give you a lot of updates. I'll also let you know about the MD curriculum that got increased by 54 months, the letter that came from CHED, and also I'll give you some updates about the court hearing. And the most important thing is, like, from now I'll be posting a lot of education based content. So what you can do is, if you want any video from that genre, so you can just comment it down below. I will just read all your comments and I will ensure that all the videos are being made, okay, so that it is going to be helpful for you all guys. So now let's get on with the video. So the first thing is about the court hearing that is on 19th of October. So this is basically the review petition that was filed so that the students from the batch of 2020-2021 get exempted from the gadget for the students who are in BS or AB psychology, okay. So it is going to be on October 19. And the second most important thing, that is the main criteria for making this video. I know it's a bit late, but I'll let you know all the ins and outs about this letter that came from CHED, which is the governing body of the medical studies here in Philippines, okay. Basically this letter came from the chairman, that is the office of the president, okay. So in this letter it was mentioned that the curriculum has increased by 54 months, but I'll read you and let you know about the whole fact. So you can see it's written, this includes the recognition of 54-month Doctor of Medicine curriculum. This further affirms that the Doctor of Medicine degree awarded to international students by these recognized higher education institutes is the same degree offered and awarded to Filipino students as a requirement to take the board examinations and obtain valid license to practice, okay. So you can also see the 21 institutions mentioned. You can find all the institutions in those institutions where Indian students study or aspire to study, like Davao, Ama, Emilio, Lady Fatima, Perpetual, and also Gulas College of Medicine, and also Manila Central University, Angeles University. So most of the universities are mentioned over here, but the thing is, here it's written the degree is same awarded to Filipinos, so there is no problem about that, and the duration is also 54 months. But the problem here is, it is written as a requirement to take the board examinations, that is a PLE examination, and to obtain the license to practice. So there is no clear-cut information written about how we can get the license, or if we can sit for the PLE examination or the registration wala thing. So there is no clear-cut idea about it. We have also not received any sort of information from the university also, okay. So this, we have to wait and see what happens about it. But yeah, for the course duration wala thing, it is sorted, but all the problems are not sorted yet, okay, because for this license still there is a problem. And I have seen most of the countries, those who are very good, those are offering very good courses in medicine, have problem with this license only, okay. So there still is a problem with this license because there is no clear-cut information written how can an Indian student obtain license after giving the PLE exam or something. Hopefully officially some updates come after some time, but you have to wait obviously. But I think this problem is with most of the countries. Some countries don't give license at all, okay. You can sit in the examinations, you can get your registration, but you can't get your license. And some countries are also there you have to do residency for extra 3 to 4 years. And for all the countries, if you see, you have to appear an extra examination, that is the licensing examination, that you have to appear in context with the national students or the citizens of that country. That becomes a bit tough. In some countries you have to learn the language of that country to appear in that examination. But yeah, so this is the change that 18 November 2021 gadget has brought out. So yeah, this was the update that I have to give. So yeah, you can comment down below the videos that you want, and do spare a minute and subscribe to the channel, and do like, comment, and yeah, I'll be making videos every 2 to 3 days, so you can check on my channel, okay. So yeah, take care, bye, peace out.